Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about interfaces. It's a very simple and easy concept. So I'm going to define you a simple interface. The interface is the way to achieve more with the help of how we achieved in abstract classes. So creating an interfaces will achieve more multiple inheritances, more classes which are defined in object oriented program. So I'll show you as ideology how simply we are going to be implementing these scenarios. Let's see here a keyword which is called interface. Yes, this keyword we can use, which is an interface. Like I am adding a keyword like a capital I animal, the name of the interface name, I animal. So it's a brace, the block of interface. I am defining void like a animal sound method. See this method I am implemented here, which is called interface method. Interface method, and it doesn't have a body. How we have seen in abstract, similarly it will be applied. Doesn't, yeah, okay, sorry, does not have a body. So this is would be like interface only. So what we are doing now, and we cannot initiate this interface directly. What I am trying to doing now, I am creating a class, child class, which is called cat. Sorry, it's a class called cat. How we are parent initiated, similar way we apply the colon and we apply interface name. So how see it is, cat implements the I animal interface over here. So block for this is this one. Have you seen here? So we are going to be writing something like a CW over here. Yeah, something we are going to be implementing. Like I animal interface is going to be work here to calling a method of interface method. So now let's see here how it is going to be implemented. Just a second, it's not here immediately. We have to make this interface method first, like public, yeah, public, and we have to write something void, and the name of the method is animal sound. Yes, terminate. Here we are going to be provide what to be print. All right, so let's see here. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, and here it is like console.writeLine. Yeah, console.writeLine. The cat says meow meow. Anything you can write here, not a problem at all. So you make sure that align of this open and end braces. Yes, save successfully. See, we are not going to be instantiating iAnimal. So what we are using instantiating purpose, we'll use for child class. So I'm going to instantiate here in my program like a child class instantiating. So what I'll do is cat, my cat equal to new cat. Object instantiation is done. So we are created my cat object, and now we are going to be calling by my cat dot c. Animal sound is displaying here. So calling this method like interface. By using this interface method, I am able to happily calling this method of a child class. So now If I run this, I'll get cat says meow meow. Just see and run it. Save this and execute the program. We'll get meow meow. Yeah, cat says meow meow. So the interface we are implemented interfaces. So if we have multiple interfaces, if we want to implement, what we will do is we create one more interface with the name, and we'll make a comma, and we'll add the interface name, and many methods are here. Accordingly we can call it. That's it. Accordingly which method you are going to calling, you prepare this like interface name and method name, and add into here, and specify a space, and add the interface name. That's it. So many interfaces you can prepare in the same child class. By defaultly, how the abstract class is not going to be instantiate as like object, the similar way like interfaces are also not instantiate directly to the object. So you have to take a inherits from parents to child like a cat class, and you have to take the instantiate of the child like a cat class, and from there you can call commonly by using the same interfaces. So how simple it is. Hopefully it is a very easy and understandable. Try to apply your way to creating any of your own example. I wish you good luck. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.